Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about this keyword. So let's start. So this is a special keyword that refers to the current object, the object whose method or constructor is being called. So this is a special keyword in Java and it refers to the current object. So let's see why this keyword is important. So first is clarity, that is makes your code more readable by explicitly showing when you are referring to the instance variable. So this keyword is used to give some clarity. Okay, it used to differentiate between the instance variable and the local variable. Next is avoid ambiguity, that is helps when parameter name and the instance variable name are same. This keyword is mostly used when the method parameter has same name as an instance variable. So this keyword helps to differentiate between the parameter name and the instance variable. So next is constructor reuse. So it allows calling one constructor from another. So this keyword is used to call the constructor from the another constructor. Let's see the practical of this keyword. So I will create a class, new, then class, and here I will give the package name as com dot this keyword, and the class name as demo. So I've created a class as demo, and in this we will create a string. So string is equal to model. Okay, and this is the instance variable. Okay, now we will create a constructor. Okay, so demo. Now in that we will pass a parameter string model. Okay, in this we will write this dot model is equal to model. Okay, now this model is this model. Okay, this is the parameters that we have passed in the constructor, and this model refers to this instance variable model. Now we will create a method. So public void display, and in this we will simply print model and we'll concatenate this dot model. Now create another class, and in that class we will call the main method. Okay, now we will create another class. Let's say test, and in this we will create a main method. Now we will create an object of the class. Okay, so for that we will write demo d1 is equal to new demo. In this we will pass a parameter. Okay, so let's say geophone. Okay, so I've created a parameterized constructor, so that's why we have to pass the parameter. Let's print this. Okay, so for that we'll write d1 dot display. So this I've created the method as display, and in this we have simply print the instance variable, okay, this dot model, and along with that I have concatenate the string. Now I've called d1.display here. Now let's run the code and see what will be the output. Now as you can see, the model geophone, I've passed here the data, and this will go to here, okay, first, and then this data will goes to here, okay, and it will stored in this dot model. After that I've simply create a method display, and I've simply printed this instance variable, okay. So this way the code flow is. So this is all about the this keyword. So thank you for watching this video.